Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to share your Tumblr profile to any other social media on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to share your Tumblr profile to WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, whatever you just needed. So for that, first of all, open your profile first. So you have this share option on the top. You can see a share option here on the top. Click on this. After clicking this, you just need to click on the share option again. So this option. So now you can find all the Instagram, WhatsApp, Chrome, everything. You can just click this. So it directly share wherever you just need it. It's actually opened on Chrome. So this is how you just share the profile on your WhatsApp or Instagram, whatever. So you just open your profile, click on the share option on the top. That's it. I think this video, if you not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with is super valuable Tumblr content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.